Hey, good morning all. Well, no rain today. I've been for a walk. Dogs have been for a walk. All is good. I'm enjoying some Pantasal. I've had my coffee. 2 coffees. I'll show you the forecast for today. Could be a nice day. Don't need to water the garden. It was tiny. Tiny dog. There he is. There's a boy. Ah. Hey, mate. That's a good boy. Yeah. He's been for a walk. The girl, dog's been for a walk. I've been for a walk. He's going back to sleep now. You're going to get me up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to go back to sleep at 6. That's his story anyway. All right, so I just thought of a quick update there. Weather's looking good. I've got some online work to do. The garden's liking all the rain, that's for sure. I'm not too sure about this one. We repotted that because it was like these, it was sprouting multiple sprouts, so we repotted it, but it took off for a while, but now it's not looking real good for some reason. Don't know. Shit, yeah, we bought 2 aloe vera plants. We've got 13 now, so not doing too bad. Oh yeah, so I haven't had to waste water on the garden. We'll be getting bloody inches and inches of water from the sky, so. All right, so I'm going to love yous and leave yous, and see you all next time. Bye for now.